If I was starting a wardrobe from scratch, I could build the best wardrobe in the game. So today, I'm gonna show you that if I was rebuilding my wardrobe from scratch, this is exactly what I would buy. First, you need to use the right foundation. Stop washing your clothes. I'm gonna show you 3 simple steps on how to correctly take care of your clothes. First, you need to invest in wooden hangers. They will help maintain the silhouette of your tops while also absorbing any moisture inside your closet to keep your shirts fresh. Oh, but Jose, I still have to wash my clothes or it's gonna stink. No, bro, stick with me here. Second, you need to buy a steamer. Anytime your clothes has wrinkles and you need to get rid of them fast, this will get it done. Plus, the steam is gonna kill 99.9% of bacteria on your clothing, keeping it fresh and making it smell good. Stick with me here. We're still not washing your clothes, bro. And if your girl or your mom are complaining, you have them watch this video. The third step is, you're still not gonna wash your clothes after every use. If it's a shirt, you can wash it after every 3 to 5 wears. If it's jeans, you can wash it after every 10 wears. As a matter of fact, the CEO of Levi's doesn't even wash them. And if it's a jacket or sweaters, you wanna dry clean these every 2 months. Now, your new wardrobe is gonna last you 10 times longer and you don't have to be rebuying clothing because it's not gonna deteriorate as fast. Taking care of your clothes is the right foundation, is where it all begins. If you do this wrong, whatever you buy will always look bad. But now, we get into the good stuff. I'm gonna show you step by step how you're gonna build your perfect wardrobe in 6 steps. Number 2, you're only gonna buy clothes that increases your confidence. I need you to take this style test to know what clothing pieces will give you the most confidence. Here's the thing, all of you know how to choose the right pieces. You just don't realize it yet. What everyone else tells you is, oh, just scroll on Pinterest and Instagram to find new inspiration. This is wrong, bro. Just think about it. It's never really worked for you. These platforms always show posed, heavily edited photos on model-like guys, so they create unrealistic expectations. When you buy the pieces, they just never look good on you. Instead, I always recommend TikTok and Reels. This way you can get a real natural look on how the clothes flows and fits on a person. On either platform, I want you to bookmark 10 to 15 of your favorite outfits. Then, once you have it bookmarked, I want you to zoom out and look at all of them and look for similarities, like the same type of pants or the same type of jacket or the same type of colors. For me, I kept seeing this style of pant come up. I also kept seeing this style of jacket. Not to mention, that style of shirt were in like 5 of my posts. You wanna know why this happens? It's because the clothes that you wear affects how you think and how you behave. This is called enclothed cognition. Your brain understands this connection and subconsciously gravitates towards clothing that elevates your confidence and aligns with your personality. This is why I said most of you know how to pick the right pieces. I'll give you a great example. I also noticed most of the outfits I chose, every guy was always wearing a jacket. Therefore, I know that's the type of style that's gonna elevate my confidence. That's why for fall and winter, bro, I went on a whole shopping spree for jackets once I realized this is what makes me feel the most confident. Number 3, don't buy these instead. Now that you know what pieces to buy that fit your style, I need to show you which ones within that category you should and shouldn't buy. So I'm gonna need you to stop buying these clothing items and buy these instead. Instead of cheap tank tops, buy compression tank tops. They maintain their shape over time and they give you a slimming effect. Instead of buying and wearing basic t-shirts everywhere, invest in ribbed sweaters. They're just as easy to wear and they look classy. Instead of buying a basic bomber jacket, buy a varsity jacket instead. This that you see here, I just picked it up from the jacket maker. It's a Pascal green varsity jacket. Yo, when I saw this color, I told you, I'm obsessed with jackets, but especially for fall and winter, I had to pick up. And this one is from a brand called Jacket Maker. Now, there's a lot of cool jackets out in the market, but what I like about Jacket Maker, they not only have high quality leather jackets at crazy affordable prices, but you can also input your own body measurements. So it's one of the only companies that I know of where you can get a leather jacket that's made for your body shape. So whether you're overweight, super skinny, or super athletic, you can find a jacket that fits your body perfectly. This to me was game changing. So when I said I went on a shopping spree for jackets, bro, these are all the Jacket Maker jackets I got. Like this Airin G1 leather bomber jacket, bro. I look like a fighter pilot in this thing, yo. Look, if you guys wanna check out any of the jackets that I'm wearing here, I'm actually gonna have the 5 that I picked up for this fall winter link down below with the special code that's gonna make it even more affordable. Right now, the months are getting colder. This is the best spot to pick up jackets. Instead of buying chinos, buy wool pants with a straight cut. Instead of buying V-neck shirts or sweaters, buy quarter zip sweaters. They're super classy and they're gonna make you stand out from the other guys. Instead of buying a basic denim jacket, invest in a suede jacket. This to me is such a power move because denim jackets are great, but you can only wear them casually. A suede jacket, you can wear casually and dress it up. This one also is from the jacket maker, and like I said, it's one of the reasons I love this brand because they have so many styles, from leather biker jackets to this suede trucker to the pilot jacket to the varsity jacket, and all of them I ordered for my body type. So it doesn't matter what body type you are, you can find the right style and the right size for you. And I've never seen any other jacket company do that. If you guys want to check out Jacket Maker, yo, I'm gonna link him down below. If you want him as a gift, I would ask your wife, your girl, your mom, your parents for this, because I'm also adding a discount code that's gonna make the jackets crazy affordable. And remember, this is high quality 100% leather. You're not getting any fake stuff. Just look at how luxurious this stuff looks. When you're rebuilding a wardrobe, these are the type of pieces you want that are gonna last a lifetime. And finally, instead of buying skinny jeans, I want you to buy straight cut jeans. Number 4, pick up the 4 shoes every man needs to own. You only need 4 pairs of shoes in your rotation. Look, over the years, I've owned every single footwear you can think of. As a matter of fact, there's a shoe collection video. I think I had over 100 pairs of shoes in that video. I'm telling you right now, there's only 4 types of shoes you need. Everything else is a waste of time and money. The first pair is something for everyday use. These are shoes that have a medium to thick sole for comfort. So these could be like your New Balances or your Asics. The next shoe is something minimal. This is when you want something that's a little bit more formal, but not over the top. For my bros that know me, you know I love a plain white leather shoe here. They go together with any outfit you can think of, and the best part is that they're timeless and they'll always be in style. So here, old school Vans, Converses, or even Thursdays are a great option. The third pair are dressy leather shoes. Now, my favorite pairs are leather lace-ups, Chelsea boots, or loafers. And if you go with either of these, try to find ones that have a thick sole. A lot of these dress shoes do, and it'll give you extra height. And the fourth pair is what I call something special. These are gonna be your streetwear shoes. Now, because you only have 4 pairs, I would stay away from anything that has a lot of color. So stick to your Jordan 1s, your Nike Dunks, or even your Jordan 4s. By this point, you've learned how to take care of your clothes, the right foundation. You've found how to pick your signature pieces that give you confidence. You understand what you should and should not buy. And now, you understand that you only need 4 shoes in your entire wardrobe rotation. But there's still 3 more things we need to do to fully build a perfect wardrobe from scratch. Number 5, buy pants that match your body type. How many times do you buy pants and they just don't fit right? They're either too tight on the thigh or too tight on the waist. Bro, the problem is you're not buying pants for your body type. So I'm gonna make it as simple as possible for you. First, I'm gonna show you what your body type is, and then I'm gonna show you what pants you should wear for your specific body type. You first need to understand that there's 3 basic body types. You have your rectangle, you have your pear, and you have your circular. So you're gonna grab a tape measure and you're gonna take 3 measurements. If you don't have a tape measure, you can use an iPhone cable to guesstimate. The first measurement is your waist. This starts at the narrowest part of your torso, so it's about 1 inch above your belly button. The second measurement is your hips, which is the fullest part of your rear end. And your third measurement is your inseam, which starts at the top of your crotch and goes all the way down to your ankle. If your waist and your hips are nearly the same size, this means you're a rectangular shape, which means that a straight leg, a boot cut, or even baggy pants will look great on your athletic frame. If your hips are wider than your waist, it means you're a pear shape. For you, I want you to opt for high-waisted pants or jeans to give you a slimmer look, and also opt for pants that have elastane or a stretch in them so they don't sit skin tight, especially around the waist. Now, if your waist is wider than your hips, it means you're a round or circular shape. For you, you should wear mid-rise jeans or even relaxed leg styles. This is gonna elongate your silhouette and making you look less round. Number 6, understand how color theory works. You need to stop wearing black and learn how to add color to your outfit correctly. Look, it's complicated to understand, I get it, but I made it super simple for you to do it. Here's how you can add color to your outfit in 3 easy levels. Level 1 is what I call beginner balancing. For this one, you're gonna pick one color and wear it across your entire outfit. We call this monochromatic, but there's one rule you have to follow. As you can see, I'm wearing all green. However, I'm not wearing the same shade of green. You never want to wear the same shade or even same texture, which is why on top I have my jacket maker Suede varsity jacket. I'm sorry I keep wearing this, bro, but yeah, I'm not taking this off all fall and winter. And then at the bottom, I paired it with a different color of green that's also a different fabric. Level 2 is what I call intermediate balancing. For this level, grab any color you want on the color wheel, and you're gonna pair it with one neutral color. Because neutral colors are muted and they lack saturation, you can easily pair it with any color you want. The best way to pull this off, wear neutral color pants like gray, tan, or black, and then opt for a bold colored top, whatever you want. Now, level 3 is where I call expert balance. This is the highest level you should go to, where you're gonna mix 3 colors in your outfit. Any more than mixing 3 colors, in my opinion, is just overkill. From the color wheel, I want you to pick 2 colors that are right next to each other, and you're gonna combine those 2 colors with 1 neutral color. For example, here, I'm wearing a green jacket, a blue shirt, and black jeans. I'm telling you boys, adding color is easy, and for me, I like to add it with my jacket because it's just so easy to pop up on any outfit. And if you want this suede jacket or any of the ones that I've been showing you, check out Jacket Maker and do it now because they're running a Black Friday sale. Bro, you're gonna get these at a cheaper price than when I got them because they have an insane discount going on right now. Go check out Jacket Maker. You're gonna level up any outfit you're gonna put on. Number 7, don't look at the brand. Luxury is garbage if you don't understand fabrics first. Fabrics, they matter way more than the brand label. So here's what fabrics you should and shouldn't wear. For shirts, always go for 100% cotton or even cotton blends such as bamboo. These fabrics are soft, they are breathable, they're gonna keep you cool all day. What you wanna avoid is any shirt that has a mix of polyester or 100% polyester because these trap heat and they're gonna be uncomfortable to wear. For sweaters, look for any that contain wool. The best type of wool is cashmere, which is significantly warmer and lighter than traditional wool. What you wanna stay away from is any sweater that's woven with acrylic yarn, as these start to pill faster and they don't insulate or keep you as warm during the winter. For jeans, make sure that it has 90% or more cotton. High cotton content ensures durability and also more comfort throughout the day. What you want to avoid is any sort of synthetic blends, as these break down faster and they're also very warm and hot when you wear them. As for hoodies, you want to stick to cotton fleece for extra comfort. What you want to avoid is polyester fleece. These tend to pill fast and also are extremely hot and uncomfortable when you wear them. By focusing on fabric over brand, you're gonna actually invest in quality pieces that last long and make you look great. But if you listen to me and follow all 7 steps I just showed you, you're gonna be able to rebuild an amazing wardrobe on a budget to always look amazing.